Hello guys, do you want to make some edits or changes in a PDF document? This video will help you. Okay, so I'm on my desktop here and I have a file called resume. I'll go ahead and open it. It's a resume I found online. It contains an image and some text, so it's a bit complex PDF. I really like how this PDF has been designed, and I wish I could make changes or make some edits in this PDF and use it as my resume. Okay, so I can't type anything down here. I can't make any edits on it. I can't make changes in the profile, the work experience, even the name. I can't make any changes in it. So it's kind of annoying how it's hard to edit PDFs. I wish I could just open it and just start typing, but luckily it's very easy to do if you have MS Word. Okay, so I'll go ahead and minimize the PDF for now and open up Microsoft Word. Okay, so this is the MS Word home screen here, and it's actually very simple to open this PDF in the Microsoft Word. There are two ways to do this. Okay, so the first one is that I will click on the PDF file I have on my desktop here and simply drag it over into the MS Word homepage. Okay, but as an alternative also, I could also go to open and I could locate where I've saved the file on my PC and open it using the second approach as well. But we'll go by the easier approach, that's the first one, by simply clicking on it and dragging it over into Microsoft Word. Now, as we try to open this in Microsoft Word, we get this long message, and you know, sometimes it's very easy to click OK when we see messages on our computers. But basically what this message is trying to tell us is that it's going to take that PDF and convert it into an MS Word document, and it will be optimized for us to make some edits in it. That sounds very good, and it continues that it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original PDF contains a lot of graphics, and this is very reasonable. So let's get straight into it and let's give this a shot. So before we click on OK, there is this section here which we can select, and we will not see this message again. Okay, so you can choose to do that, but I'll leave it as it is. Okay, so I will then click on OK. So that's fine. Here's the resume I just showed you as a PDF. So the PDF file is now editable, and I could just type anything I want to do, or I could just make some edits on it, or I can modify it anyhow I want to make it. Okay, so let's start by making some edits in the picture. So the picture is a little bit off, so let's get it back to normal as it was on the PDF. Okay, so we'll do that by clicking on the picture, then we will click on picture format, then to the crop drop down menu, then select crop to shape. Then for the shape, you will select oval or circle. So we've been able to crop the picture back to normal. Let's also replace the picture with a picture we like, or with our own picture. So we'll do that by right clicking on the picture, select change picture, then select from file and locate where you save the picture and insert it or change it right here. So we've been able to change the picture. I can change the name to my name, so I'll change the name to Tech with Hobby. I can also make changes in the work experience. But basically, you can make changes in everything on this document. Okay, so we've modified this PDF document and we've made some edits in it. And now that we are done, we will save the file. What I will do is that I'll go to File and then go to Save As. Okay, now so you can choose to save it as a Word document, and that's the default. Alright, if you are not done with making the edits you want to make in your file and you want to continue to make some edits in the future, but if you are done with the document, you can just go ahead and save it as a PDF file. And I will save it as Hobby Resume, since it's going to be my resume, and we'll go ahead and click on Save. Now I've been able to save it as a PDF file. So that's how you can make edits in a PDF file using Microsoft Word, and also save it again as a PDF file. It's actually really easy to do if you have Microsoft Word. So go ahead and edit all those PDF you have and want to make changes. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please give this a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future or other tutorial videos, hit that subscribe button, and through that you get a notification anytime new content comes out. And lastly, if there is anything else you want to learn about or you are dying to figure out how to do something, please leave a comment down below and I will add it to my list of videos to create in the future. And hey, that's all I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.